Hey guys, Casey Ashmore coming to you from the studio again. Thanks for joining me. You know, I just did a video on hustle, one of my favorite words. It's a word that I throw a lot of hashtags out there. I've had friends that, you know, recognize this is something that I say so much they actually buy me cups and gifts with the word hustle on it. But you know, there's more to it than that. There's a couple other components, and these are kind of the pillars of success that you can be in control of. Doesn't have anything to do with the government. Doesn't have anything to do with a bailout. Doesn't have anything to do with an economic stimulus package. It has to do with you and the energy you bring, right? And another thing I like to say, rise and grind. Get up in the morning, right, and start working on those free throws. Start working on those executions. And the thing about bringing that kind of energy, bringing the grind. What is a grind? A grind, well, you know, you grind up coffee beans, but there's more to it than that, right? You're extracting from a coffee bean the energy within, right? The caffeine, and then you can put hot water over it and filter it, and you've got something that'll give you a jolt, make you feel great. You know, have 20 or 30 cups a day. Just kidding. Maybe not that many. Maybe only like 10 or 15. But the fact of the matter is, repetitive work that will bring success, right? And then it becomes habit, right? And the hustle, the grind, the execution, day in, day out, that's going to get you out of this coronavirus pandemic. That's going to get all of us to a better place. That's going to get us all in January when everybody's wiping, you know, the Santa Claus and the New Year's and the old Father Time and the New Year's baby, when they're wiping those hangovers, those holiday hangovers out of their eyes. It's the energy you bring to the end of the year that's going to set the stage for how you do, your family does, your business does. So don't take your eyes off the goal right now. Keep grinding, keep executing, bring as much energy as you possibly can to close out this year so you're in a better place, so you can set a stage, so you've leveraged up to your next career move or whatever it is you need to do to recover from 2020, because 2020 has been a devastating year. We've had more contract interruptions in the state of Texas than we've ever, and this is a place that's used to it, right? We have hurricanes all the time. We have oil and gas problems all the time. We're used to contract interruptions. We've had more this year than we've probably ever had in the history of the state of Texas, certainly Texas litigation, right? Because this is like a hurricane that moved in and it just didn't go anywhere, right? People are still emergency planning, emergency hoarding, emergency buying, just like you would see in a hurricane. So again, it's the hustle, the grind, the execution that you're bringing right now, that energy. Don't take your eyes off the goal. 2021 is right around the corner. You want to be in a position to where you are ready for the first quarter 2021, not knocked on your feet again like we all were last first quarter 2021. All right, y'all, bring it.